This is beautiful Montana, USA, and I am on vacation. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am still currently on vacation in Montana. This is why I have not done a video this week, but I thought I'd do a quick little video here to remind you guys of the 3 giveaways we have going on. First off, we have the Lenovo Smart Clock and Smart Display giveaway. I will link that down below. We are giving away a Lenovo Smart Display and a Lenovo Smart Clock as a bundle, and we still have a few weeks left on that giveaway, so make sure you enter. Second giveaway we have going on is the CoolPad Legacy giveaway. We only got a few days left on that one, so make sure you click the link below and enter that giveaway. That is for the CoolPad Legacy smartphone, which is a pretty good budget smartphone, and it's a pretty nice little smartphone. So whoever wins that's going to be very happy. And finally, we are giving away a $100 Amazon gift card on the website, and I will also link that down below. Make sure you click that link and make sure you follow the instructions for the giveaway and enter to win a $100 Amazon gift card. And those are the 3 giveaways we are currently doing. Hey guys, while I'm in Montana, I am taking some wildlife photos and some landscape photos, and I'm posting them to Instagram, so make sure you follow me there on Instagram. I don't post that often, but I plan on making that account a little more active, so make sure you follow me there for any photos regarding Montana. I'm also posting to Twitter, not as often as Instagram with photos, but I am posting to Twitter as well, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. And for those that are on MeWe, I am also there. You can look me up on MeWe. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like it. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, thanks a million. And if you haven't hit that notification bell, make sure you do that as well. And we will talk to you guys on the other side.